Florida Van Man is made possible by small donations by viewers like you.
2005 with 500,000 miles and the original battery tray. So we're going to shine it up a little bit and keep it clean. I've taken out the 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And out comes the tray for a little refurbishing. Scrubby pad, sandpaper, wiped it all down real well. Rust-Oleum rust reformer. And this is where we're at. Looking pretty decent. Gonna let that cure a little bit, let the paint dry, and then go at it with Rust-Oleum hammered. Poke the bolts in a box so they get sprayed with rust prevention. So it's all back in now. It'll last a little while longer.